hours.
Yeah.
When did we get here?
We got here at 3:30.
3:30. I don't know why the camera's just on me. Interview one of them. I don't know.
What are you guys doing to pass the time?
Playing cards right now. Got our snacks for the game. Wearing my bathing suit. It's kind of hot out, you know. Gotta stay kosher.
And so what kind of seats can you actually expect to get?
You know, I'm hoping that we're lower deck, but not the very top. I'm thinking 3/4. We're, you know, wherever we're at, we're gonna have a great time. Should probably pull out the win.
Fun with everyone here because we're all just so fun. I'm an alien. We're all 3 aliens. Because IU basketball is out of this world. For 6 hours. 6 hours. 1:30. No. Anything for Purdue. Like biggest rivals ever. We played catchphrase, we played euchre, we ordered pizza, football. We passed the football. Ate, slept. We ordered pizza X.
What kind of seats can you expect to get here?
Balcony seats.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Balcony at the very back.
I mean, I'm from Purdue, so.